How to use dual SIM card option on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connections. You will see first option is connections, so click on connection. Scroll down and click on mobile networks. So after click on mobile networks, click on network mode. So you will see, you will select one. So after selecting, go back and click on mobile SIM manager. So after click on SIM manager, you will see now it's showing you SIM 1 and SIM 2. So after selecting, so after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use dual SIM option on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.